everyone, welcome back here. This is Kimmy's Eating Show. My name is Kimmy and today I have here Popeyes chicken sandwich versus Chick Fil A's chicken sandwich. I've had Chick Fil A so many times throughout the years. I've always loved it. I've never really tried Popeyes chicken. The last time I tried it was when I was a little girl. And so let's begin. This is the Popeyes chicken sandwich. As you can see, it looks delicious. And this is the Chick Fil A's chicken sandwich. Here it goes. I'm going to take the first bite. This is the first time I tried chicken sandwich from Popeyes, and it's good. It is good. It's good. Uh-oh. That's how it looks like. You guys, this is awesome. This sandwich is awesome. It's awesome. It got the mayo inside. It got the pickle, that chicken. It's really different from what I have ever tried, to be honest. So 1 out of 10, I give this one a 10. Not lying at all, not over exaggerating. It's the perfect chicken sandwich to enjoy in your afternoon, perhaps even for breakfast or dinner. It's amazing. It's awesome. So let me compare it now with sandwich from Chick Fil A. This one also has pickles inside, except it does not have a mayo. So let me try it. I've always loved Chick Fil A sandwiches. I already knew it was gonna be bomb, but compared to this one takes the cake in this one wins. Delicious. Now that we have tried both of them, I've tried the Chick Fil A chicken sandwich, and yes, I placed the wrap like this. Didn't really have extra napkins, so well. So the one that wins would happen to be the one from Popeyes. You guys, if you have not tasted it yet, please go to Popeyes. I guarantee you, you will love it. I had to wait in line for about half an hour, but it was worth it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.